An attorney's office is looking for victims who may have been sexually abused by a Des Moines area doctor.
KCCI's Kayla James is here with what we know about this search. Kayla.
Well, that doctor is Lynn Lindeman. He was arrested in June for allegedly sexually abusing a child. Now, this is the ad making its rounds on social media. And the spokesperson with the Pintus and Mullins law firm tells me people are already reaching out.
That's one of the things in terms of outreach that we try to do and help people come forward, because that's the most difficult step.
A difficult step, but one Pintus and Mullins spokesperson William Marks says has already been taken by several people in regards to Lynn Lindeman.
We've started to already get phone calls, and we're in the process of investigating them now.
Those phone calls coming less than a week after the law firm set up this social media ad. Marks says Pintus and Mullins is broadly a personal injury law firm. A main focus is sex abuse cases.
That we're seeing about 2 to 3 cases a week of doctors abusing their patients.
Nationwide, Marks says the law firm first learned about Lindeman through KCCI's reporting this summer when he was arrested and during his court appearances after. Soon after, Marks says the team set up this website for anyone who may have been abused. The website also has a list of sexual abuse behaviors from a medical professional to help people determine if they may have been sexually abused.
That's going to be helpful to whether they were victims of Dr. Lindeman or sexual abuse by other doctors.
Marks says this entire process isn't something that happens overnight, and the end result could vary from person to person.
Justice can mean an apology. It can mean an act so we've stopped it from happening to someone else, and then a financial piece to it as well.
Marks tells us anyone who reaches out can expect to be heard by a sympathetic ear. It's a long process, but one he says the Pintus and Mullins team is prepared to help out with. We'll have more information up on our website later tonight. Stacy?
Kayla, thank you.